Man, this thing is in rough shape. Caterpillar. Leaking oil from pretty much everywhere.
Look at that weld job.
Oh, look at this high pressure hose. Look at it. Holy shit.
Yeah,
That's not good.
that's freeing. Yeah, so
Nice weld job, buddy.
interesting, eh?
How would he snap that? That would be a different story.
I'd like to know if that bend is factory too.
Yeah.
There's a block heater right there.
That's a heavy duty ass block heater, I betcha.
Yeah.
Nice big ass alternator. Oh, this thing used to have a gas start on it, it looks like.
Oh yeah,
The little exhaust pipe.
Or they just use ether.
No, I don't see no motor down in there. It might have used to have something. Unless that's maybe something else. It's pretty sweet, man. Another can of ether, yeah. Man, you can tell this thing needs ether to start.
Hey, we should do a cold start.
Well, we know she needs ether to start. Man, this thing's just pissing oil everywhere. Well, back here you can see it's gas. He has a wonderful rag there. Oh, another can of ether. Aha! It's hidden up in there. Nice. See the cap? What the hell that was for?
Frames all jacked up there.
Oh, that's kind of oddball holes. You think they would just
bypass?
Yeah. It must be just some. Oh, someone was drinking while they were working. Push to start. Huh. Yeah. I haven't driven one of these things in years. Oh, it does have a set of batteries in there. Looks to me like the guy uses a beer can to jump start it. Oh yeah. Man, this thing actually takes pretty good videos down in places like this.
Low light, yeah.
Yeah, it's great in low light. Injector pump. Nice big ass turbo. Where you go? Oh, there you are. I bet you this thing sat all winter because something died on it, and to get it fixed, they have to get a guy here to fix it because you can't tow him.
How do you know they don't just use it here?
Could be. Whoa, adjuster. Huh. Well, yeah, there could be nothing wrong with it, I guess, but...
Well, that's your brake.
Huh?
That's your brakes.
Could be, yeah, I guess. I don't know. No, that's just for your chain adjuster.
What do you think the hydraulic cylinder is, and what do you think this is here? Do you think that rubs against that?
You could. Guess you never know. This one here is nice and tight on this side. The other side is all floppy and loose. Sweet. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Man, after all today's farm videos, man, I bet you we could figure out how to drive this thing.
Look up for them, online. Oh, that's how you start it.
Yeah, I wouldn't dick with it. But it is kind of cool.
Yeah.
don't know about you, but if I owned a, like probably an $8,000 bulldozer because it's in rough shape, I don't think I'd just park it out here. I think I'd be kind of afraid of that. I'd be afraid of people like us. It's not like we do anything, but... What?
What are we doing to it?
Filming it! Making it a star! You gonna jump up? I'll give you the camera then so you can do a little bit of a better view, man. I'm too fat to get up, you know that?
When in Rome, eh?
Watch out it doesn't arc on the batteries. Just starts driving away on you. There you go, that picture.
It's got foot levers for brakes, I think. There you go, there's your speeds.
Yeah, I know, there's a diagram that shows that.
Fuel pressure, oil pressure, water temperature, amps, another temperature,
Any spot for a key? Doesn't look like it, eh?
gear oil.
Doesn't make sense that the guy would put like his seat up because that covers his bat. Like, you think you'd want his batteries to stay covered, eh?
You'd think someone else was here, maybe?
No, because I've seen other ones parked with the seat up like that.
We got tons of cans. 2 cans of ether there. A can here and a can underneath.
Probably takes enough of it to get her going.
Big old rad cap. It's a huge
Holy
fucking...
shit, you gotta see how much oil's on the ground underneath it.
Yeah, take the camera.
I bet you she died here. There's way too much oil underneath it over here.
Here. Take the camera.
Where are you? Is it still recording?
Yep.
Yeah, she... Camera's getting dirty, but whatever. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, you should just put the seat back to the way it was when we got it. Flip it up. Batteries are hooked up.
It's all there.
Huh. Do you see any model numbers anywhere? On that tag? Huh?
There's something engraved on the block.
Yeah. That's just making a serial number on it. The Ether Wagon. Ethermobile. Oh, I see it.
What?
I see it.
What?
No, that's push to start again. It's something about the start and what order it is. Seen the tag on the end there, but it's not that. Anyway, it's pretty sweet. Okay, want to get out of here?
Yeah.
Where the hell did I put my gloves? I thought I left them on here. It blew off. Yep. Ugh.